We are on the verge of potentially having the first breast cancer vaccine. Yes, you heard that right. A vaccine. For so long, the focus has been on treating cancer, but these researchers quietly figured out how to prevent it, and the early results are exciting. So Anixa Biosciences dropped some incredible news, their breast cancer vaccine in collaboration with Cleveland Clinic, and is officially moving to the next stage. Here's the genius behind it. Instead of waiting to fight cancer after it shows up, this vaccine trains your immune system to hunt down and destroy breast cancer cells before they can even grow. It's preventative care for breast cancer, which is incredible to see. The vaccine comes in a set of 3 shots given 2 weeks apart and works by specifically targeting a milk protein called alpha-lactalbumin. Now here's where it gets fascinating. Researchers at Cleveland Clinic figured out that this protein only shows up in healthy breast tissue while breastfeeding and then vanishes once you're done lactating. Outside of this time frame, alpha-lactalbumin is never present on any other cell in the body. However, it pops up in many types of breast cancer, including 70% of triple-negative breast cancer cases, which happens to be one of the most aggressive forms out there. The early phase clinical trial was tested on 35 women who had a history of early-stage triple-negative breast cancer at high risk for recurrence, and in patients with no breast cancer history but are genetically predisposed to developing it. The results? Over 70% of participants showed a strong immune response and tolerated the vaccine well across the board. So why does this matter? Well, triple-negative breast cancer is absolutely ruthless. It grows fast, spreads aggressively, and it has a nasty habit of coming back even after treatment. With only a 77% 5-year survival rate, it affects about 14 in 100,000 women in the United States alone. So having a preventative option against this could be revolutionary. Bottom line, the phase 1 tests show promise, but we now need larger trials to validate these early results. Then we're potentially looking at the first ever breast cancer vaccine. If this gets FDA approved, we're not just talking about a new treatment, we're talking about rewriting the entire playbook and how we approach one of the most common cancers affecting women. The future of cancer prevention might just be a 3-shot series away. If you like science worth sharing like this, then follow us everywhere at Today Learn Science at TIL Science.